Hi, I'm Ole. I'm one of 10 participants in an amazing venture here in Israel. We've been here presenting our business model, a business plan, business case, and it's been awesome to meet the Israeli entrepreneurs and the whole Israeli ecosystem. It's been an amazing week for us. We take from here with great new contacts and great new potential, and hopefully some key stakeholders that we can team up with. Really amazing, and we've seen a lot. We've been to the ambassador's residence yesterday. I've never been to an ambassador's residence, so that was really cool. And we've just met so many very exciting and interesting people that hopefully can help us bring our business ventures to the next step. The most important person is Nadav Berger, who has connected us with a couple of other very interesting venture capitalists. And that is basically the most concrete example of a major takeaway for us. But that's also really the basic and the most important reason for us to coming in the first place. Well, we've met so many interesting people basically at all the evening receptions and dinners and so on, because they are all relevant to us. And that is really maybe also a key takeaway for us, is that the whole ecosystem here provides relevance if you are in the sort of the business domain that we're in within tech and agro.